So, hello everyone. I am John Paul Rendon, the first reporter of the Group 8. My topic is the West Philippine Sea. The West Philippine Sea is the part of the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. Philippines sovereignty and the natural resources rich area is now under the threat from China. So, the West Philippine Sea is this is rates of natural resources o kumbaga yamang likas na yaman. So this is West Philippine Sea is the source of oil and gas. Now under threatening from China. The West Philippine Sea of kanlurang dagat ng Pilipinas or karagatang kanluran ng Pilipinas arrived as the West Philippine Sea is official designation by the government of the Philippines to the parts of South China Sea that are including the country's exclusive zone. So, West Philippine Sea is part of the South China Sea. Part gihapon lang West Philippine Sea sa South China Sea. So the term West Philippine Sea has been in use by international community since at 1961 mentioned in geology and oceanography papers. So the term West Philippine Sea is nabuhat ng pangalan since 1961. As early 2011 during the administration of President Benigno Aquino, Philippine National Government began the refers the water to the west of the Philippines archipelago by same name. So ang tubig nga dito sa kuan west gi pangalanan sa gisimra ang iyang pangalan sa ngalan sa lugar. China has asserted that its claim that separately dates back countries. The Chinese government states that almost entire South China Sea, including the Spratly and other island group, is within its sphere of influence. Those claims have been strongly disputed by Philippines and Vietnam, in particular China, Taiwan, and Vietnam. All that claims are under entirely, while portions are claimed by Malaysia and the Philippines. Around 70 disputed islets and reefs in the Spratly Island are occupied by China, Malaysia, the Philippines, Taiwan, and Vietnam. So why is the West Philippine Sea important? West Philippine Sea is rich in oil and natural gas, estimated 55.1 trillion cubic feet of gas and 5.4 billion barrels of oil, mostly located in the contested Red Bank. So important ang West Philippine Sea because kuan siya rich of natural oil and gas. So West Philippine Sea manggod mao'y source sa gas and oils. So that's all.
Geological surveys indicate the potential for methane hydrates, a promising future fuel source. This suggests that geological surveys have found signs of methane hydrates, which are ice-like structures containing methane. These hydrates are considered a potential valuable energy resource for the future. as they could be a significant source of oil. So pilaagi ani ang kanang methane hydrates is kuan in the future makasupply siya sa atong foil nga makatabang sa atong pagkuan sa ekonomiya. Third is the West Philippines Sea has the potential to supply power to the grids of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao for at least 20 years. The West Philippine Sea can generate electricity for the grids of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, the Philippines' major regions. This capability implies a reliable energy source that could sustain power supply for at least 20 years, potentially addressing energy needs and contributing to long-term energy stability in the country. So, electricity, so West Philippine Sea kan kibali makatabang siya sa ato. Isa na dito ang kanang electricity kay tabang ni sa Pilipinas nga kanang kibali murag makatipid tag ka mabayad ba or for at least 20 years kibali potentially kay tarang ana murag makalibre tag kuryente or kanang makatipid tag kuryente dili ta madak-an og bayad. Fourth is utilizing natural gas from the West Philippine Sea could resolve the Philippines long-standing electricity issue leading to cheaper. So mao na ni. Utilizing natural gas from the West Philippine Sea could address the Philippines' persistent electricity problems by providing a stable and reliable energy source. This shift may result in lower electricity cost, making energy more affordable for consumers and businesses, and enhancing overall energy access and stability in the country. So, kita nga mga Pilipino is bali kung kanang maatuwa jud ang West Philippine Sea, isa ni nga kanang kibali ma-provide sa ato kaning electricity. So kita kanang makatipid tag bayad dili na ta kaayo madak-an sa bayad sa kuryente. So fifth is electricity substantial cost savings for household and businesses and increase business opportunities and investments, thereby transforming the Philippines economy. This highlights that the affordable electricity can lead to significant savings for household and businesses, fostering economic growth. This reduce energy costs and encourage more investments and create new businesses opportunities, ultimately transforming the Philippine economy by enhancing productivity and attracting both local and foreign investment. So, dako ning tabang sa mga businesses. Kibali kita nga mga Pilipino is mo barato ang mga palitunon kay ang atungod sa electricity o tungod sa gasolina. Kibali kita nga mga Pilipino pagka nang mobilita sa tindahan, so dili na ta kaayo madak-an sa mga palitunon. So, the Philippines, a developing nation, possesses abundant natural resources including land, oil, minerals, and marine resources. The Philippines, classified as a developing nation, has rich natural resources such as fertile land for agriculture, oil reserves, various minerals, and extensive marine resources. These assets present significant opportunities for economic growth and development which can be leveraged for sustainable progress and improved living standard in the country. So ang Pilipinas is murag kanang mayaman ta sa kanang mga minerals. So kung bali maatuwa jud ning West Philippines Sea, kibali ang mahatag isa ni nga mahatag niya sa atoa is kanang mga fertile land, agricultural, oil reserve. Daghan na mahatag niya sa ato. Securing these resources, especially in resource-rich areas like the West Philippine Sea, is crucial for the country economic growth. This emphasizes the importance of obtaining and protecting valuable resources, particularly in resource-rich regions such as the West Philippine Sea. By securing these resources, the country can enhance in economic growth, ensuring access to vital materials for industries, energy production, and overall development, which is essential for national prosperity. The West Philippine Sea, located within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, holds significant potential to boost the nation's economy due to its wealth of natural resources. So, West Philippine Sea is dako jud siyang tabang sa atong economy nga mo-growth pa kay tungod nga kanang dagan say kanang mga natural resources nga kanang makuha nato ug makatabang sa ato sa atong ekonomiya nga kanang moangat pa jud. So, freedom of the high seas. The freedoms of the high seas include navigation, overflight, civilian and military aircraft, lay submarine cables and pipelines, conduct of scientific research, construction of artificial islands and other installations allowed by international law and fishing. So, the outlines the freedoms associated with the high seas, which include navigation and overflight for both civilian and military aircraft. It also mentions the laying of submarine cables and pipelines, conducting scientific research, building artificial islands, and fishing, all of which are permitted under international law, especially UNCLOS or UNCLOS. Last is International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea or kanang ITLOS. The UNCLOS created ITLOS, which consists of 21 judges elected by the member state with a system in place to ensure the geographic balance. That explains that the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, established the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea or ITLOS. This tribunal comprises 21 judges elected by member states with a system designed to maintain geographic balance, ensuring representation from various religions around the world. So kani siya murag siyang tigkibali, siyang mo balance. For example, sa kanang issue sa Pilipinas ug sa China, sa kan West Philippine Sea. Sa kibali sa ITLOS kay ang West Philippine Sea is sa Pilipinas jud kay tong 2016 murag nagkuha ng Pilipinas about ani nga issue, murag gi-open nila, murag giat nila sa taas. So kaning ITLOS murag siya ang kibali mo determine kung kang kinsa na example teritoryo West Philippine Sea sa Pilipinas man na. Mao na ang kanang sa ITLOS.